What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little get ready with me. Carlos and I are heading to Sacramento to just spend the day. We're gonna go shopping, we're gonna get lunch, and then later on tonight we are celebrating one of our friends' birthdays, so we're just gonna go get drinks and go to dinner and have a grand old time. So I thought, since I have so many new products I wanted to test out, that I would do a little get ready with me. I did get some products in a BoxyCharm. Ofra Cosmetics actually sent me a few things, so I kind of just wanted to test some of this stuff out. I think I'm gonna do more of just like a chill, like daytime look, nothing crazy, and then I'll bring some makeup for tonight when we go out for dinner and drink, so I can make the look a little bit more vampy, if you will. I just got a new lens, so I'm hoping everything is clear and good. It's supposed to be one of those lenses where I am very clear, but the background is a little bit blurry, and the background is a hot mess right now, so I apologize. I'm in the process of giving my film room a little facelift. So, enough talking, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I already moisturized my skin about 15 minutes ago, and I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and I am actually obsessed with it. It is so good, and I'm not one that's like obsessed with using primers, but this one is so good. I just love the way it goes on. I love the way it feels on my skin, and it really does, for me at least, make my makeup last for quite some time. Next, I am taking the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer, and I'm just going to dab that under my eyes. I did take off all of my nails, which, if you guys know me, I've had acrylic nails forever. If they come off or one breaks, I just immediately go get them fixed. I don't ever rock my natural nails because I bite them. They are so short and very thin. So I'm trying to, number one, save money. Number two, just be a little bit more natural. So I just painted them this nude color, and as a base coat, I put this like Miracle Growth polish under it. So I'm hoping that it'll strengthen and it will grow, and I can just do like my own gel manicures at home from now on. So we'll see how that goes. I'm hoping I can stick with it because it's getting expensive, and I hate sitting there while they do my nails, and it hurts sometimes. I just can't. So pray for me. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics CC cream. This one is in medium, and it's like an illuminating one, and this is just the regular matte formula in fair. I mix the two because this is too dark, this is too light. So I just put like one little dollop of each on my hand. I also put a little dollop of this Shimmering Skin Perfector from Becca as well in the color Prosecco Pop. So it just adds a little bit more illumination. This towel is going to drive me crazy. I don't know why I didn't just brush my hair before sitting down to film this video. I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. This is, I think, new to the drugstore. Also new to me, obviously, and it has that larger like doe foot applicator. You guys, this is so good. I have been using it for the last 3-4 days, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm like, I don't know, everybody's obsessed with Shape Tape, and I'm just not a fan of it. It's too drying, and it like cracks under my eyes, and it's just not a good look. So I don't know, everybody like rants and raves about it and loves it, and I'm just not the biggest fan. Like, I'll use it, but I just don't like it. So this one, it reminds me like packaging wise with that larger like doe foot applicator, but it's a lot more moisturizing and doesn't like crease under my eyes. To set the concealer, I use my favorite setting powder in the world, the Becca Hydra Mist Setting Powder. I have used this for so long. This is like my second one, and when I got my BoxyCharm this month, I about died because included in it was a full-size Becca Hydra Mist powder. You guys, this powder is so good. Powders always get like chalky and crease under my eye. This is the only powder I have found that does not do that. So I'm obsessed with it. It does come with this little sifter thing because when you put it on, it almost feels like a little bit wet because it's supposedly made of 50% water, but it's a powder. Like I have another video on my channel where I tested this out and I was blown away. You guys, I love, love, love this powder, and it keeps your under eyes nice and moisturized. I usually just go over everywhere that I put the concealer, usually just like my T-zone area under my eyes, and I'll go on my eyelids and set that as well. Okay, so I'm gonna let my face makeup just sit for a while. I'm gonna pull you guys closer, come to mama. And I think I'm gonna work on these eyes. So I did put down my CC cream instead of like an eyeshadow primer, and then I did set it with that Becca powder as you guys saw. So now I'm just going to take a fluffy crease brush, and I kind of want to go into this Pure Out of the Blue palette. I did haul this in one of my previous videos. This palette, I've yet to even use it, but look how cool it is in case you guys missed that video. It's like a light up vanity. Like, come on. Like, I don't know if you can see. So there's 3 lights here, 3 LED lights here, and it's also like a stand. So if you're in a hotel or something, it's perfect vanity lighting on the go. And tell me those colors are not beautiful. That's like a super pretty pressed glitter. So I'm hoping to bring this palette. I think I'm gonna bring it to Vegas. I'm going to Vegas in a couple weeks, and I'm ready to do some glittery looks. I'm always like sticking with the natural looks, but I'm excited to kind of branch out a little bit. So the first color I'm going to take is this one here. It is called Wake Up, and I'm gonna run that through the crease as a super light transition. Sometimes these like nude shades come up darker than you would think, and this is not really one of them, but we're still gonna go with it. So this is almost like a little bit of a peachy nude. So I'm just running that all throughout the crease. I kind of like just this color. Then I want a little bit of a darker outer corner shade. Okay, I'm gonna take this much thinner, like tapered outer corner fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with, what is that called? Turn Down, and it's kind of a rusty brown color. I'm gonna place that right here on the outer corner. I like to get these smaller brushes and place the color and then go in with a fluffy brush to blend everything out. So I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and blend that out so it's nice and seamless. So I'm gonna take just this, any kind of face powder really, and go above where I put that transition shade just to blend any like harsh lines there might be. I always do this even if there aren't really harsh lines, just because sometimes you can get out in the sun or outside and be like, whoa, did you blend? So I like to always just do that just in case. I'm gonna go back in with that peachy shade and just run it one more time through the crease. Okay, so I've been into super shimmery lids lately, and in my BoxyCharm I got 2 of these like super shock looking eyeshadows. They look like the ones from ColourPop, and they're from Ace Beauty, and they are glimmer shadows. I got one in Cotton Candy, which is just like a pinky like coral color, and then the other one I got is in Iced Latte. So I'm actually going to swatch Iced Latte, and I like to do it with my pinky finger because if I'm going to put it on my lid, I want the smallest finger. That's super pretty. So it's just like a golden shade. And I'm gonna go in with that on my lid. Okay, so these, well, at least this color is a little bit more like glittery than I thought it was gonna be. And it's like, I'm just going shopping. Why do I need to have full-on glittery lids? But it's like, you know what, who cares? I'm gonna go back in with this Pure palette and take the gold shade called Techno. And I'm gonna run that over where I just put that like Super Shock eyeshadow. I'm honestly at this point just trying to cover up the fact that I have like chunky glitter on my lids. Just a little bit. I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics Hangin' in Hawaii palette. You guys, these BH Cosmetic palettes are unbelievable. Like, I'm obsessed with them. Like, look at that. And the pigmentation is unreal. I'm gonna go in with Sandy right here, just with my finger. And I'm gonna go right in the middle. It's actually the same color. I might take Hula actually, which is like a lighter champagne. And just go right in the middle of my lid. Still from the BH palette, I'm gonna take Maui down here and go in the outer corner. Oh my god, Jeffrey. My neighbor is literally mowing my lawn right here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with just a white eyeshadow in the inner corner, just to brighten that up. I'm just gonna run some black eyeliner on my upper waterline. And I'm gonna run my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil in taupe through my brows. Okay, for bronzer, I'm gonna throw on my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I am running low on this. I'm gonna just bronze up my face a little bit because I am so white right now. Okay, so this is the palette that I was sent from Ofra, and it is a face palette. It's the Island Time palette. Ugh. It is so cute. It's like the perfect like summery palette. And this is what it looks like. Just opens up here, has a giant mirror, has like a little plastic thing on it, and these are the colors. So this is what the colors look like. The middle one is a highlight, and then the other four are blushes. So I'm gonna go in with the orangey corally color and this really natural color, and I'm gonna mix those. So pretty. I'm thinking this highlight's gonna be too dark for me right now. That's what it looks like. Let me see. That's how it swatches. Super pretty. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in Cheers Darling. You guys, this highlighter is so good. It looks like it's just like melting onto your face. Like, it doesn't look like a powder highlighter just sitting there. It looks like it's like a part of your skin. I don't know how to explain it, but it's bomb. All right, lower lash line mascara. All right, last step are lippies. So I was sent 5. And these are the Ofra Flexi Stick liquid lipsticks. I was sent this one, which is in the color Shaken, Top Shelf, Slush, Swizzle, and Fuzzy. I kind of want to go in with Top Shelf and Fuzzy because Fuzzy's more of a nude and this one's more of a like darker mauve color. So I'm gonna try mixing the two. So I'm gonna first go in with Top Shelf. Definitely too dark for an everyday look for me. These smell really good. This is what the applicator looks like. Okay, I don't even think I'm gonna mix this. I think I'm just gonna take it off because it's a really pretty color, but it's too dark for today. All right, let's go in with Fuzzy, which is more of the nude color. Yeah. It's almost like a nudie orange, but I do have a little bit of like orange on the eye, so I kind of like it. I might throw on like a nude gloss on top just to tone it down a little bit, but I really like it. These liquid lipsticks are like super comfortable on the lips. Okay, I'm gonna actually blot some of that off. All right, so I'm gonna take my hair down, get it all brushed out, blow dry it, give it a quick straighten, and then I'm on my merry way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about any of the products, let me know down in the comment section below. I will have everything that I talked about today linked in the description box, and I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.